I'll show you how I use the master page for creating the page number and also kind of this running kind of footer on the side to show additional information. And since it's on the master page, it will always appear in all the spreads that you have in your whole paragraph. Okay, so I'll show you really quickly how the master page look like. So the master page, this is the master page, and all your spreads that is assigned with the master page will have the same layout. Okay, so we will start with the default template. You can see the master page now has nothing but just the guides that the blue, those guys. So just leave them there. You don't really have to mess with them. So how to go to the master page, just click on the page panel, okay? And then here it's hiding on the top of your page. And then you can, if you're selecting your other pages, kind of like that, just double click on a master. You can see also it will highlight it, so it will show you now you are inside of the master page. And you can see now when I try to scroll down, there's nothing below because we only have 2 pages in the A master. Okay, so first let me show you how to add a page number that will run through your whole book. So you can do whatever design you want. You can just add a number here, or you can add like a shape underneath the box. Your call. Okay, so I think what I did is I create a little like rectangle, kind of make it go across from the left to the right, and then I will apply a color from my swatches, and I'll use maybe this one. Okay. And since the color is a darker color, I will use white for my text. Okay, so if you just type in like a number with just a regular like number, for example like 1, this will make all the pages will create a number with 1. Okay, so I'll show you what I meant. Okay. Be careful, don't like move the grid accidentally. Okay, so here I have my like page number, say number 1, and this is the master page. And let's go see our other pages how it will look like. So cool, all the spread on the left now has this block on the side, and also it has number 1, 1, 1. So this is obvious not we want this number to be changing. Okay, so how to do that? So first of all, still same, we need to create a text frame, but don't place anything yet. We need to insert a special character, okay, which call under markers and current page numbers. Okay, so type, insert special character, markers, current page number. Okay, and then I'll put in there. And then say A, but this A will be updated in the pages that we have. Okay, so we should definitely align the number in the middle of the box. So I will change that setting really quickly. Okay, so first of all, I'll just make the A sit in the like center alignment, and then I will place this box in here. Okay, and make sure the width is the same with the box. Okay, and then I will kind of move this to the middle. Okay, so it looks good. So we will just make a copy of the same thing and then move it to the right. The shortcut to copy, duplicate the item is holding Option. You can see when I hold Option, my arrows become 2. So that means now I'm going to duplicate this thing. And then, cool. And then just make sure you align it properly. I put it like right on the under the margin. Okay. And then now this need to go. Oh, okay. I think I make this a little bit longer. So I need to first of all move this to the left, and then move the 2 little yeah, make sure they're aligned properly, so they're sitting the right place. Okay, let's see if our page number is working. Okay, cool. So on page 1 we have 1 on page 1, and then 2 on this page 2, and intro we have page 3. Okay, so now it looks the auto current page is working properly as we wish. Okay, so first of all, I think I would probably want to like move it down a little bit. I think it's a little too close to my paragraph. Okay, so I'm going to select both. Okay, move them down a little bit so the page number is not so close to our paragraph. And next, I want to remind you, usually, obviously, there shouldn't be a page number on the cover page. And since this is the back of the cover page, we probably want to leave it blank and without any page color. Same with intro. I think it's up to you. So what if you want to remove some of the page number in like pages that you don't want the master page to affect it? Okay. So the easiest way to do is now I'm trying to like selecting it, but because it's in the master page, I cannot select it. Okay, so the shortcut to select items that was stored in the master page in regular pages is hold Command and Shift. So if you're on a PC, it's probably Control Shift. So Control Shift, and then Control Shift again. I'll select the marker, and I'll be able to remove them. Okay, so I will remove these. Okay, so they no longer have page number on them. Okay, for the intro, I think usually like if it's a table of content, you probably don't need page number. And I think for intro, yeah, I will remove that too. So I will have the page number start project 1. Okay, so that's it. And usually page number, you should have the odd number on the right spread, and then the even number on the left spread. Okay, so yeah, I think it looks fine. And if you want to add like a footer, kind of like this, it's pretty simple too. I'll just copy it. You can type it and make whatever design you want, and then you can just simply apply that in your master page. Okay, and then you can see the same kind of footer information will be applied on all the page on the right. Okay, so yeah, that's it. It's pretty simple, and this is just a quick tutorial of showing you how to use the master page and how you can still be able to select the item in the master page by holding Command Shift click, and then you can move them or delete them if you want.